Leakage current measurement is a powerful troubleshooting tool for a wide variety of situations and environments. Environments like hospitals and clinics, where patients are diagnosed, treated, and kept alive by electric and electronic devices, require high level of safety and reliability. A thorough safety inspection, in case an insulation monitoring device sounds an alarm, is therefore a must. The MD9273 clamp meter is a useful ally in this and can be used to quickly check devices with exposed protective earth cables and identify the faulty device. All that is needed is to set MD9273 to measure leakage current, clamp it around protective earth cables of devices in operation, and check if the results are within acceptable limits. Remember, even a slight deviation is valid cause for a trip to the repair shop. When lives are on the line, there is no such thing as too much safety.